Tired of random people joining your Discord server and never leaving? Create invite links that expire, limit users, and auto-assign roles in under 2 minutes. I'll show you how to access invite settings, adjust expiration and usage limits, assign roles, and generate your custom link. Open Discord. Then, from the server list on the left, click on the server where you want to create the invite. Now, click on the server name at the top left to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, select Invite to Server. You'll see the invite link. Go ahead and click Copy to copy it to your clipboard. Then, click on Edit Invite Link to open the Settings panel to change invite settings. Now, adjust when the link expires by selecting a time limit. Next, set a maximum number of uses so only that many can join. Optionally, click Select Roles and pick any roles you want auto-assigned to new members. You can also grant temporary membership to give time-limited access. Once you're done, click Generate a new link to create an invite with your settings. Finally, click Copy to copy this updated invite link. And there you go. You're ready to invite people. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.